Okay, I have 5 white sneakers under 3000 rupees. Let's unbox them. What is up, people? This one Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, we are going to start this list with our most beloved brand and one of my favorite sneakers on this list. Not one of my favorite, this is my favorite sneaker on this list. I just want to start this list with a banger. So our first unboxing is going to be from Puma, and this is my favorite sneaker on this list. Like, it's a beautiful sneaker. I'll just open it and show it to you guys, and then we'll talk about it. So let's go. So this is Puma Shuffle Hydra, and this is a gorgeous looking pair. The small details on this pair makes this sneaker stand out, and that is the reason I just told you guys this is my favorite sneaker on this list. The cream thick laces, the textured tumbled leather on it, the grey side stripe and the chalk white outsole makes this sneaker stand out. This sneaker has a huge tongue and a huge Puma branding on it. You also see the Puma branding on the side panel and on the back heel of this sneaker. I had first seen this pair at a Puma outlet, and that time I had thought that damn, they have made a very beautiful pair. And the most important thing is that this pair retails for 5,499 rupees, but I have got it for a steal price, that is 2,999 rupees. That is exactly under 3,000 rupees. Now talking about the next sneaker on this list, and it's a fan favorite brand, that is Nike, and it's a very popular sneaker. So let's unbox it and check it out. Let's go. This is Nike Court Royale 2 Next Nature. This is the most cleanest and the most simplest Nike sneaker you guys will ever see, and they come in multiple different colorways, but I personally like this one. This is an all white sneaker with this black swoosh, and that is the only detail on this particular pair. You also get very minimal branding of Nike on the tongue and on the back heel, and apart from that there is nothing I can talk about this sneaker. So a lot of people ask me what is Next Nature. So it is line from Nike where they try to conserve the wastage of plastic, paper and all of that stuff, and that is the reason you don't see any butter paper inside this box. Even the tag of this shoes comes with a cardboard and it does not have that plastic wire thing, whatever that is called, I don't remember, but you don't see anything like that. You just see this cardboard here. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, even the outsole of this sneaker is made out of some reusable plastic and all of that stuff. And you also see that fluorescent insole with that circular Nike logo, which is said to be the Nike Next Nature signature logo or something like that. But talking about this sneaker, this is decent in comfort, decent in price point. Not one of my favorite sneaker on this list, but definitely if you want something very simple, very subtle, and if you want that Nike branding, you can definitely go for this. This sneaker retails for 3,995 rupees, that is almost 4,000 rupees, but I got this sneaker for 2,992 rupees, that is again under 3,000. Now let's move towards the next sneaker on this list, and it is from Adidas. And I personally like this pair. It is a very, again, a simple pair, because white sneakers mostly are simple, but this is again a very minimalistic pair and a very beautiful pair. So let me just unbox it and show it to you guys. So here we go. So this is Adidas Advantage Base. Okay, in the first glance, this sneaker definitely reminds me of Adidas Stan Smiths, and this is a very similar kind of a silhouette, a very simple, very basic, very plain, and I just love it. This is a full leather upper sneaker with that mesh tongue on it, where you also see the Adidas branding, and you also get the Adidas branding on the back heel of the sneaker, and that is pretty much it. This is a very simple sneaker, and that is what I love about it. And one thing I would definitely like to show about this pair is the outsole of this pair. Just have a look. You get that honeycomb like structure on it, and that is the reason I just love it. And this sneaker retailed for 6,599 rupees, that is 6,600 rupees, but I got this pair for 2,950 rupees. That is again a very beautiful price for this pair. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, it is from Puma and a very beautiful looking pair. Just have a look. This is Puma Cod Shatter. This is an all white leather sneaker with that hint of gold on the Puma branding on the back heel and on the tongue. You get two different types of leather on it. This tumbled leather on the toe box and on the Puma side strips, and then you see that plain white leather on the toe guard of the sneaker. And all of that texture on the sneaker makes the sneaker incredibly beautiful. I just personally love the silhouette of the sneaker, and on top of that, when you add all of this detail, it just makes the sneaker beautiful. This sneaker retails for 6,000 rupees, and I have got it for a great price. That is 2,399 rupees. That is 2,400 rupees. That is a very beautiful price for this particular pair. Now moving towards the least expensive pair on this list, and a very minimal pair. Let's unbox this. Here you go. So this is Puma Smashing. So this is an all white leather upper sneaker, and just have a look at it and you will understand how minimal this pair is. And most importantly, just have a look at the inner side panel of this pair. There is no stitching, no details, no texture, nothing at all. It is a full one leather piece there, and that is the reason I just told you this is one of the most minimal pair you will ever find from any of the brand. Even the branding on this pair is done in silver color, which is not visible from few of the angles. But honestly, there is decent kind of comfort on this compared to the price on it, because the price point on this pair is mind-blowing. I just told you guys this is the least expensive pair, and I mean it. This pair retails for 4,499 rupees, that is 4,500 rupees, but I have got a great steal on it, that is 1,700 rupees. Like 1,700 for this beautiful pair. Like if you need something very minimal just for office going or college going, something like that, a good white pair, this is the one you need to have. Now you have to let me know which one is your favorite from this particular list, and I have got all of this from Amazon. I have linked them in the description. You can go and check it out. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.